Hello, hello. Hello, Azure. How do you do? How are things? Hope you're doing all right. That'd be preferable. Sorry for being late. I've just been, well, roundly abused by software for the past 24 hours or so. Hardware has been really great to me, though. Hardware has been fucking wonderful. It's been wonderful. Software, on the other hand, gonna fucking kill someone. You know, this is pretty fucking shit. It's pretty fucking shit. But how we doing? Gotta get into a little bit of things today. A little bit of things, as they say. You know. Muy bien. Very good to hear. Very good to hear. Okay, so where to begin? Oh, right, I wanted to get this out of the way. I just took a shower, and obviously I set my clothes on the floor because there's, like, where else do you stage them? You know, floor's normally clean, isn't it? So I set my clothes on the floor, had a shower, you know, put fucking clothes back on, you know, because contrary to popular belief, I actually do wear underwear, underpants, you know, that shit. So I'm sitting down, getting ready to stream, because, like, that was about 47 fucking minutes ago at this point. But I'm getting ready to stream, so I sit down, because that's what you do when you stream. You don't stand up the entire stream. Some people might do that, but I don't. But I sit down and I feel, like, itchy, you know? Feel itchy on my bum, right? And so that normally just indicates that you fucking itch it, right? You know? It begins subconsciously. Like, you don't even think about it. Your hand, and you just fucking, like, itch it, you know? It's fucking, like, it's fine, right? It continues to, like, itch, and actually then I realize it's kind of like stinging a little bit. I was like, what the fuck's going on with that? And so, obviously, like, I reach my hand down there and feel around a bit, and there's like, oh, something, I felt something on my hand as I was, like, itching it directly. I was like, what the fuck is that? So obviously I pulled my hand out. There's a fucking ant, and it was biting my ass. So that was fucking incredible. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just sick of that shit. It was on the floor. I've been seeing them on the floor in the restroom for a while. But I never quite expected that to happen, for it to, like, crawl within the fucking clothing and then get on my ass and bite me like that. Fucking obnoxious. You don't itch it, you scratch it. It's semantics. How come I can't see them? Skill issue. Feel a poo. What the fuck is that? What does that even mean? Always shake your clothes before wearing them because of that reason. Well, I live in, like, a first world country, but I behave like a second world citizen, you know? Fucking put that on the fucking quote board, right? I don't know. I'm not fucking Asmongold, but I don't know how the ants got in there. Like, generally the floor in there is just fine. Actually, they showed up. I know where they're at. They're like in the fucking wall. They're in the damn walls. Fucking, I don't know why they're in the It's so difficult to fucking do anything about that. But, like, there's a little corner, you know, they have, like, the siding, you know, the thing at the bottom of the wall. There's, like, a fucking I don't even know what you called that. I made one. It's on my fucking desktop, you know. Actually, no, it's behind me as well. Fucking that thing. There's a thing that's, like, in the background. what the fuck do you call it? It's like the border of the floor. And the wall has got, like, a shit on it. I don't fucking know what you call it. Whatever. Maybe put it on the towel rack. Yeah, it's probably a decent idea. There's just never any room on there because it's full of fucking towels and shit. should probably start doing that. You know, clothing. It can fit there. Yeah, should do that. Why do you just have a picture of Hickok 45 doing a drive-by on a bike for? Yeah. Is that actually Hickok 45? I didn't even realize that. That's a good one. No, I just saw that on Twitter this morning, and that's how I fucking feel right now. Just gonna fucking shoot some random naked child. I don't know why. I don't know why that That issue, that, like, why does that image exist? I don't know. It's a good image. Rain had a little owie on his bum. Fuck you. Let me smooch it to soothe it. Bruh. Of course I expected that. Saw that coming a mile away. Based, yes indeed. So anyway, I've got a bit of a fucking wall of text to read. So we're gonna do that. I don't know if this even counts as a draconian discourse. I may put it up as one anyhow. I don't like anyhow. I don't like saying that. I don't say that. It's not a thing that I say. Fuck! But yeah, I've got a bit of a wall of text. So I'm just gonna read it first. Just gonna read it first. And then I'll go from there, right? You may get a bit of the context as I begin to read. So, you know, you people are intelligent, you know, I think you'd be able to follow along. There's maybe audio only fucking content. This may be like background. This may be second monitor content as I'm want to create. So anyhow, looking for a sanity check solutions dump. Sanity check / solutions dump. That's probably what I fucking intended by that. I stayed up till 3 a.m. writing this, by the way. It wasn't so much writing it as it was like doing fucking research and shit to try and figure out this, like, because all of this just ended up like spilling out as I was trying to figure out the shit, right? Looking for a sanity check / solutions dump. That's a funny like combination there. Fuck. From any fellow autists who also hate basically all the sync clients that exist today. I think I edited that before posting it to not a bloodthirsty rage. I don't remember what I fucking changed it to. I changed it to something though. Disdain, who harbor disdain for all the sync clients that exist today. What have you used on your home lab? I have had a Synology NAS DS920 Plus for several years after I got one by accident in the mail, thanks Bezos. Since then, I've expanded beyond its constraints, and I've set up an entire Ceph cluster in my newborn home lab. 2 JBODs, 2 hosts soon, 96 terabytes raw. I'm also setting up a similar cluster at work. Given this, I'm migrating away from Synology. I've had my frustrations with Synology Drive Client. It's right there. You can see it right there. Fuck you. Though actually no, as you will see soon, i.e. mainly the ability to have consistent on-demand thumbnailing on uncommon file types with proprietary thumbnailing registries, .blend, .psd, etc., or on videos without manual script runs. It also buffers file downloads even when sync is paused, which requires me to quit out of the SDC. I think I may have that's a joke. Fucking bad typo, mistake even. Close out of SDC entirely if Premiere or grep/ripgrep begin triggering tons of file downloads. It's super inconvenient that they don't have a download cancel button either. That being said, I didn't realize how much I've taken it for granted because it's really quite a mature client. On-demand sync really works. It has 3 threads for processing and uploading files, maxes out the bandwidth between you and the NAS, seamless handoff on the go, sorry. I generally like to have it, like, not so fucking far apart. Seamless handoff on the go with direct.quickconnect.to, even if I don't use it anymore and opt for tail scale instead. And once it's set up, super easy to add another sync task to an existing folder on the NAS. That's what's really been spoiling me. All I've ever really wanted was quick, dumb sync between my local environment and my redundant, safe bulk storage. Moreover, for my needs, I can unblock the file types that are relevant to me. I work in Blender with Git LFS, and I like having my entire project folder, including Git repos, sync via SDC. It's very efficient. It shreds through it. It doesn't require pushing LFS to or from GitHub or Gitty, which I've found to be unreliable in regards to keeping my LFS store intact. Git is very slow and borderline non-functioning on SMB shares. I use this workflow at home and between multiple systems, and I'd like to use it at work as well. I'm in charge of ensuring our 3D team's work is always backed up and that we never lose work. This in mind, I've tried several sync clients. At first I was excited because I thought that surely a FOSS client, or simply a client that was developed by someone else, might have better thumbnailing or logic for on-demand synced, easier task setup, maybe even more efficient syncing. I was so wrong. First, let's review my needs. And this was actually a numbered list. So number 1, dumb path pair sync. Point at an existing NAS folder, pick a local path in sync mode, done. No resilio style multi-step setup, though CLI would make that complexity acceptable. At this point, I'm okay with this shit. If not for the other fucking, you know, it's tiered, you know. Everything else, everything that I need is like, you know, I've got, it's like romance, right? It's like you've got all these boxes you want ticked, and then you find something that ticks enough of them, and you deal with the rest of them, right? Like you just figure it out, you find a way, right? That's kind of how it is with this. It's like, you know, I got top 3 here, ish, right? CIA followed the live creator. The CIA, no, fuck her. It's so over. You are the most audiobook video essay voice ever. Yes, but I don't make video essays. I've wanted to, and I think I've made them before, like technically speaking, but thank you. Oh my, I found you, fella. Don't you run from me, oh fella. I don't think those are the lyrics, actually. I mean, you are on my second monitor, lol. Well, there we go. We're already on our way. Is this a Shakespearean monologue? No, this is not in Shakespearean English. That would be early modern English. This is late modern English. This is like current modern English. It's like literally today. Competently designed on-demand sync. Opening/scanning a folder must not start a flood of downloads. Pause/cancel must actually stop transfers. No silent buffering while paused. Needs to avoid an issue I'll detail later. I'm mixing up all my bloody phonemes. My consonants are cucked. Fast sync. Index and transfer hard. Saturate NIC/disk to the maximum the hardware can take. Prefer multi-file concurrency. SDC style around 3 threads. Not one file at a time stalls under gigabit. One file at a time stalls. CLI for tasks. Create/manage sync. Ugh. I've got fucking shit in my mouth. I've got shit in my soul. You're a mean one. Soliloquy. Yeah, let's call it that. Create/manage sync jobs from the command line so agents and or scripts can wire machines without a GUI. Thumbnail extensibility. Thumbs should work with on-demand once the file is local. I mean, preferably, once, even if it's in cloud, it should work. That'd be fucking fantastic, wouldn't it? And ideally allow plugging in custom thumbnailers, not strip/null thumbs the way SDC/OneDrive often do. This really isn't that important, but it really shouldn't be that difficult to not override local thumbnailing once files are pulled. OneDrive requires all files to be thumbnailed on their end, so if they don't support the file type, you're out of luck. SDC requires me to turn off on demand in order to get thumbs at all, which would only be fine if I had infinite local storage. This significantly dampens the appeal of on-demand for me. You know, if I had infinite local storage, then I just fucking sync everything together. So it's like, okay, this is safe at home. And then fucking, like, I'd have like fucking a million copies of it, you know, just sitting all over the place, just constantly syncing 24/7. It'd be so easy, wouldn't it? I'd just back up everything at work to home as well, because it's fucking infinite storage, you know. There's so much you could do with that. That's why you fucking use on-demand sync. That's why it exists as a product, as a feature, as something that people actually have feature sets for, is so that you don't have to have everything locally, because storage is finite, you know. Peer-to-peer. like sync-thing slash resilio, not NAS only like SDC. This one is just a bonus, not a must. I figured it'd be more efficient to sync between multiple machines this way, but it doesn't seem to make that big of a difference, especially considering that resilio doesn't have concurrency, which makes it slow on our Frankenstein Ceph array at work. Frankenstein, honestly, I'm underselling myself there. I've put together a fucking fantastic cluster at work. It's bloody incredible. Okay. It's not really that Frankenstein. The discs are like, you know, mismatched to hell and back, but it fucking works. Especially now. Fucking works. I just want it to be fast, and P2P would help if the latest copy transfers from latest copy transfers from fastest device first, e.g. my coworker saves food upland on their local SSD, it syncs to everyone else's SSDs, then finally finishes uploading to the slow Ceph cluster. Difference in latency may be negligible though. So with that, I've decided not to have them locally because it's like we just don't have the local like fast storage for that, or even like local cold storage for that. We just haven't got it. So I'm just going to use a subst drive. I'm always finding, what is subst? Like, what is the full thing for that? Like, whenever you're dealing with software, you've got like little fucking like things that are just not possible to pronounce with lips, you know. Computer code, make me a snadwich. Yeah, that's what computer codes do. And tickle me a little tee-hee. What the fuck? Here's what I haven't tried yet, but rejected on a conceptual level. R-clone / mountain duck mounts, fine as a personal item, fine as a personal lens on SMB / SFTP, doesn't suit my needs for multi-device sync and team semantics. Random GitHub projects. Yadori link, sync fuse, CF API, samples, right idea but immature, vibe coding projects someone else took up this week, or dead or shell only with no real sync engine. Peer-to-peer with good on-demand seems like a pipe dream currently. Now here's a review of the clients I've tried out. Synology Drive Client, SDC, does everything I needed to do, just annoys me sometimes. If I could have it without requiring a DSM host, I'd take it in a heartbeat at this point. The only reason I'm abandoning this is because I can't just fucking install it on anything that I want, because I'm walking away from Synology permanently. You know, DSM actually, for what it's worth, it's far more mature than you give it credit for. The limitations are annoying, but it actually like does its fucking job. And when I was first starting out, I didn't have any AI agents or anything to help me. It was really good for like a newbie fucking NAS setup, and you know, it was really great to have that. And I'm really glad that Jeff Bezos fucking sent it to me instead of an SSD that I actually purchased. I kind of feel bad for the person who tried to bring the NAS over and got an SSD instead, but you know, it fucking changed my life. Actually, that one mistake redirected the course of my personal history, which is pretty fantastic. So obviously, like, I'm happy with them. Overall, they served me well. It's just now I've moved on to Ceph, and it's just a better way of doing things, and I can manage it myself, and I've got all the resources I need to be able to do so. So Synology Drive Client actually gets in the way. No, not the client. The client is fine. Synology themselves get in the way. Also, the fucking NAS itself is bottlenecked to gigabit, and that's pretty shit to bit. You know, it's terrible. Gonna have to get like a USB adapter. I actually thought that it was compatible with a gigabit, like a 10G. Like, it's not a NIC. It's like it uses like some weird proprietary interface that they've got, but my model apparently doesn't actually support it, which sucks. So it'll be bottlenecked to gigabit unless I eSATA would be really interesting to fuck around with. Right, glad you're like a normal guy and I'm a caveman right now. Am I glad that he's frozen in there and that we're out here? I don't know what you mean, Asher. Next cloud. Useless for my purposes. It's too smart, quote unquote. Every single file requires for it to be in their database. I just want a dump sync from local to NAS folder, not another blob store that's indexed by their container. I don't trust blob stores anymore after multiple LFS hiccups. External storage still indexes into NC's into Nextcloud's database, and VFS on external mounts is second class. Their sync client is fast, it seems faster than SDC, but it also sucks at thumbnailing. I'd take it if not for the database. C-file sync performance was unacceptable for me. Didn't find a real knob to fix it. It was just slow. I seem to recall their client annoyed me as well, but I got rid of it so fast I hardly remember. Didn't waste time trying to see if it checked my other boxes. Sync thing, perfect folder pairing / peer-to-peer. Maintainers have repeatedly said hydrate / dehydrate is out of scope. I need on-demand for both home lab and work purposes. There's just not enough local storage to sustain full syncing everything. At this point, I fucking accepted it, that I just need to, like, work around that. If I want to have something fully synced, I'm just going to do it, and I'm going to use sync thing to do it, because then it's super easy to set up with client, the fucking what do you call them? Agents. AI agents. My fleet of AI agents is helping me significantly. My suite. But yeah, I've basically just I've accepted it, so I'm going to be using syncthing CLI in order to set up tasks, and then just syncing like a couple of choice folders, because resilio, and you know, it doesn't really matter that it's resilio. What matters is that it's peer-to-peer. I think resilio is actually like probably too complex, like overall. It'd be easier for me to do it with syncthing, but for full syncs I can just use drive client, no fucking sync thing, and then for on demand I'm gonna use resilio still, even though it has this issue that I'm gonna talk about. I just can't use it for the things that I want to use it for. Just like it limits the scope of it significantly. We'll get into this real soon. Right. Resilio sync, nearly perfect. It's seriously so close. Like so many other clients, full sync does almost everything I needed to do. It syncs all files, including Git repos. I haven't actually mucked about with syncthing as much. I forgot to mention that. But it's CLI, and professionals use it. Blender people use it, and if Blender people use it, then everybody should use it, right? Right? No, definitely not. Blender heads have a way of thinking that is just like, you know, just geniuses, you know, like just fucking like, oh yeah, you can just do this. And it actually gets fucking like frustrating, because no, you can't just do that. There's a learning curve that comes with that. Like, come on. But I love Blender heads overall. They're pretty fantastic, honestly. It syncs all files, including Git repos. It's peer-to-peer. Basically, all of the features are free. It's not concurrent, but beggars can't be choosers. It doesn't have CLI. Its folder setups are a bit of a pain, but it's workable. All except for one thing: their on-demand selective sync, as they call it. So-called selective sync. I'm sorry to have to dedicate an entire paragraph to this. I changed that, and I said dedicate nearly 4,000 characters to this, because as you can see, it's fucking we love CRLF. Oh, I'm covering it up, aren't I? There it is. 3717, nearly 4,000 fucking characters. Why would you do that, Raincloud? Why would you do it? This is fucking why. It sucks shit. But it's seriously one of the most frustrating things I've dealt with in recent history. Resilio has pig-headedly chosen to stick with the same terrible UX behavior behavior for over 9 years, despite the fact that no other sync client decides to behave that way. Sure, no other sync client offers P2P and on-demand sync, but no sync client that has on-demand has chosen to make it behave in such a counterproductive manner. Let me explain. In any other sync client, everything you do in an on-demand sync is mirrored perfectly. Move a folder, it moves. Rename an item, it gets renamed. Delete an item/folder, it either sends to your local recycle bin or gives a warning that it's not local and will thus go to your thus will not go to your local recycle bin when deleted. After you delete, it's gone. If you want to rehydrate, you right-click and do free up space. Every on-demand sync works this way. It's simple and intuitive. It's just like having your files locally, but they can be on the cloud too. So one of the things I wanted to mention about that is that psychologically there is like literal, physical, biological space that is allocated towards the destruction of something. Like that is a very deep psychological understanding that I'd say any creature that any breakfast perceiver has got built in, you know. All of the breakfast perceivers have got the ability to comprehend the deletion of something. You know, the most novice users, the stupidest users of technology, the people who have no idea how technology works in general have a concept that delete means it fucking dies, it's destroyed, it's gone forever, right? They understand that that's how this works. Everybody understands that. So, in Resilio, delete dehydrates the file locally. It turns it connection terminated. I'm sorry to interrupt you, Elizabeth, if you even still remember that name. But for one of you, the deepest pit of hell. Good shit. That was so exciting when we saw that on stream last year at this point. Been a moment. It turns it into an RSLS placeholder. This is terrible UX for several reasons. I really had to restrain myself here. Right. Really, really difficult for me. Everyone already knows what delete means. They overloaded the most dangerous verb in the file system for a soft unpin, then made real delete the second delete, or a buried menu. Novices hit two failure modes. They think they deleted it, but peers still have it, or they delete the RSLS thinking it's junk, which wipes the file everywhere. I got Resilio's registry to malfunction once, not too uncommon to get inconsistent registry behavior with Windows, and especially Windows with more particularly Windows with on-demand clients, though I think the way that the on-demand sync works with these is actually completely custom. I think it bypasses Windows things entirely because I think it began to exist right around that time and they never implemented it until they decided that they wanted it in the paid version. Well, it's not the paid version. It's not. It's a different product entirely. Anyhow, and all of my RSLS placeholders suddenly lacked thumbnails, which means any user could delete it, not knowing that it's a folder that could include vital data, because on their end it just looks like a messy artifact. Their reasoning is that selective sync is meant to offload like any on-demand client, but with peer-to-peer, there's no cloud vault to unpin from, so they decide to remap OS delete to dehydrate instead. This, of course, is completely asinine because in order to run a sync task, someone needs to create a sync folder which is the cloud vault to unpin from and doesn't have selective sync itself, so it'll never lose all of the master files. That is your canonical copy. That is the canonical copy. Like, that's the host. That is the primary host. The host can't turn on selective sync. They're the host of the damn folder, you know? Like, that's obviously it should just delete it from there. And they also have got a fucking an archive folder anyway, and that folder can keep that can act as your recycle bin if you don't trust your users to know what fucking delete means. Like, just in case. It's just asinine. It's just so fucking dumb. This UX is completely needless, especially when they already have a remove from device function. Not only does it make it completely unintuitive to users, file management becomes a chore of fighting placeholders instead of just moving them with on-demand working seamlessly in the background out of your way, but it also completely destroys my workflow. Git automatically purges files as the user or their Git client runs operations. My project scripts automatically purge files. My peers and I move and delete files as required all the time. We don't have room for full project mirror, so on-demand would be super useful, but for Resilio's insistence on UX that nobody ever requested or needed. In all the 9 years, for all I know it's older, this issue has been complained about. They never decided to give the users a toggle to deactivate this terrible feature. I found one power user thing that actually makes it worse. Like, there's a power user preference that you can set that makes it worse, where even if you delete the RSLS placeholders, those will just respawn anyway. So legitimately the only way to delete anything off of all mirrors is to right click it and then remove from all, or whatever the fuck their stupid UX option is. It's so shit. It seriously could not be shitter. Fuck's sake. I can't wrap my head around why they insisted upon it. Ironically, their enterprise transparent selective sync later does this in the same way, and it's in their docs. It just uses Windows Cloud files / macOS Fuse placeholders, not the proprietary RSLS files. Trouble is, it's only for Resilio sync, the Resilio active everywhere, the enterprise only track. Not only can I not afford it, but I don't want to give any money to people who thought that they were too good for normal UX design conventions and thus created workflow ruining deal breakers for their user base for nearly a decade. Like, and that brings us to this. That brings us over to here. So whenever I say 9 years ago, I'm referring to this. Isn't this kind of neat? Fucking January 26, 2017. My Android tablet running Resilio Sync. I want to delete a folder in selective sync mode and have it just fucking work. The only way to achieve this is to delete the file from the sync application. So he has to go into the sync application in Android and tell it to go there. The admin is the only person who in this place, I'm gonna not say the words that I can't say. This is the only user in this thread who thinks that this is a remotely okay idea. Like, there's not even any sort of like an unapologetic like, it's out of my control. I don't really like it that way. Hopefully they'll fix it in future. It's just like, no, this is how it works. This is how it works. It's like, yeah, okay, it's shit. It breaks people's fucking workflows. It's like everybody's going to see that and be like, okay, so I'm just going to not use this then. Wonderful. On Android, placeholders do not appear on file managers to reduce load on the phone. That is fucking bullshit. That is absolute fucking bullshit. Like, it does not reduce load on the phone to not show a .rsls file that's like literally like, it's not even 1 kilobyte. It's like 8 bytes of some shit. It's a placeholder. It's empty. There's nothing in it. It doesn't exist practically. Like, there's nothing there. There's like, it reduces load on the phone. No, it fucking doesn't. What kind of like gaslighting bullshit is this? What is this? Seriously. And it's like, don't you think this could be a feature that that can be implemented in the future? Fucking, you know, I wonder if it's going to happen 10 years later. Nearly 10 years later. And it's like, just do that and then just like delete it. Just delete it, delete the placeholder and it'll delete from all, or, you know, hit the thing and it's like, you haven't addressed the problem at all. Serious deficiency in selective sync and makes the feature much less useful to me, and I'm guessing others. It's like anybody who wants to just have normal fucking UX or to automate things, deleting the file in the sync app instead of using a normal OS delete is unworkable. It's a huge waste of time to have to flip between the OS folder and the app every time I want to delete a file, not to mention error prone. I really hope Resilio rethinks this. I wonder if they're going to do it 9 years later, 7 years later at this point. This is like an entire year afterwards, and this guy shows up to the thread. Yeah, 11 months later, he's like, hey, you didn't actually fucking address this. Like, what the hell? On desktops, it works differently. It's like you could remove from all devices, or you could just delete it twice. And then it's like, this guy, I use it to fucking sync YouTube shit, you know? I have no way of knowing if my shit is actually, like I've watched it or not, because I can't actually delete things when I want to delete things. It's highly inconvenient. Oh, right, and I think he was mentioning that he was using scripts, and that the scripts were the things that were like deleting things, but it just leaves them behind. It's like, that is fucking shit. Why would I ever want this to happen? Why? And it's like, either disable selective sync on phone, and it's like, the entire reason you made this is so that you can free up space on the local device in lieu of putting it all externally. Like, what the fuck are you saying? So bad. So it's the same, yeah. Deleted all the placeholders and the files, salvages the usefulness of the product hardly. That's the thing, because I think oh yeah, Resilio ignore list builder. Yeah, I vibe coded a Python script, and this was late last year. Actually, it was nearly a year ago at this point. That it's like, it's a shame I had to build a workaround for this issue. Like, it seriously is. I'm surprised in 2025 this is still an issue. Like, it's seriously that bad. Things are seriously that bad. That's how shit it is. Oh, right. And this was the other one that I mentioned earlier. As you could see, they're just using the fucking you know, it comes to replace the legacy selective sync. It's transparent selective sync. It actually just uses normal on-demand behavior. It just does it. It just works. They actually implemented that shit after like however long, but it's only on Resilio Active Everywhere. You've got to be like paying the subscription or whatever the fuck so that you could use it. It's just asinine. Like, I don't understand it. Like, all it would have taken was for the devs to put in, like, how many lines of code? Like, fucking 2. Like, it really would not have been difficult at all. And they just decided never to do it. They just sat there with their arms folded for fucking forever. It just never happened, you know? Never decided to actually be useful. Sorry for ranting and getting long-winded, but my patience has long since left me for looking for a client that actually solves my needs. Is there anything left for me to try? Should I just give up and accept that without SDC, there's nothing that supports on-demand that fits within my use case? I think I might just have to deal with the on-demand nonsense for non-git sync tasks, and to keep all git repos in full sync tasks. Sync things CLI might be easier for all my full sync tasks. I just can't believe that there's absolutely nothing out there that doesn't suit at least my top 3 needs. And my top 3 needs are, of course, I think I had an additional paragraph at the bottom that was like, what have you used, etc. But, like, yeah, again, my top 3 needs are just dumb sync, just like this folder on the NAS and this folder on the local, and then competently designed on-demand sync. It's just do on-demand. Hopefully it has thumbnailing. That'd be nice, but like, just do on-demand. That's it. Like, you know, even if it doesn't have thumbnailing, I'll fucking deal with it. I have dealt with it before. It's been fine. I've done that like relatively recently. You know, it's fine as long as it actually syncs and it actually works. You know, I'll just deal with the fact that thumbnails are broken, whatever. As long as it's not the stupid Resilio thing, right? CLI, no, that's not number 3. And then just fast sync. It just needs to be fast. It just needs to like actually hit the limitation of the hardware that I'm using. That's it, you know, just those three things. You can't have all three. It's like fucking healthcare, right? It can be cheap, cheap, nah. It can be inexpensive, universal, or good. You get to pick two, because you can't have all three at the same time. You can't have it be universal, good, and cheap. You can't have it be, you know, it's just one of them is going to drop the moment you try to nab the other one, right? It's like that. It's like you can't have the dumb path pair sync, you can't have fast sync, and you can't have good on demand. It's just not fucking possible. Nobody does this shit. Nobody's made a solution for it, and I don't know. So anyhow, that's basically the full thing, except so I signed up to the Linus Tech Tips forum just to post that, because all of my hunting and everything, I didn't find anything. You know, fancy that, right? Didn't find a damn thing that actually could do all three of those simultaneously. Couldn't find it. So, what was I going to say? Yes, I posted it. As you can see, there's two results here. That's interesting. You know, I don't see that profile picture here. There it is. Everything posted. Yeah, there's nothing there. Of course, nothing. You know, nothing at all. Isn't that interesting? Kind of odd, isn't it? Oh, hello. There's the link. There's normally you like click it. There's no. I didn't get any messages or anything like that. That's kind of odd. You know, it's weird because I pressed post on it. I didn't get an email or anything like that. That's odd. And then it's like profile views. Oh, I wonder who viewed it. 17 profile viewers. Moderator viewed my profile. And ever so quietly, the post is gone. So there it is. Now I don't like quiet deletions, frankly. I think they're a bit cowardly. I think if I broke a rule, then you should tell me. Because I looked around, I literally like found, it's like, did anybody else like just fucking rant on here? Did anybody else like wall of text rant on here? And there were people who were also sharing frustrations, and they were fine, you know? So I'm like, okay, think I'm good. I don't know, when I ran it by an agent, the first thing that it said was just like, maybe don't start it out with fellow autists, but it's like, if someone finds that fucking offensive, then they should go and watch the WAN show from fucking 10 years ago and see how they like it, because it's just full of it. Dragon discrimination. That's what it feels like. Now, see, I just want to know what aspect of it was bad, right? So I can follow the rules, because I understand it's their fucking situation. It's their, like, you know, not everybody's going to be based and cap like me and just like be perfectly fine with everybody doing whatever the fuck, right? You know, there's going to be some caveats, and there's going to be things that, for whatever pathologically agreeable, hopefully minimal amounts of agreeableness, because fuck them. But, you know, whatever stuff that they decide they're going to moderate with is what they decide. It's like, that's their platform, not mine. I'm not entitled to be able to have my data that I'm putting up there just be kept there in perpetuity, obviously. But it'd be fucking nice if you told me what the hell I did wrong, because, I don't know. Was it just the tone? Was it the length of it? Should I have kept it more brief and to the point? Should I not have said the word fellow autists at the beginning? Because, frankly, if I'm not allowed to refer to myself as an autist or a... Oh, you know, I actually... Yeah, it didn't make it into that version of the file, because it was one of those later... Because I had to restore the file because the actual thing that I put up got fucking deleted, and there was no way... why isn't it like Reddit, you know, where I can at least see that I put it up, you know? Like, just tell me what I did wrong. You know, it took me months to find out that there was a specific word that I can't say on TikTok, otherwise I get banned. and you know, it took me that long, and it was finally when they had like a feature that they rolled out. And that's the great thing about modern, you know, applications, is that they just roll out features completely silently without telling you about it. They also do rolling rollouts where they roll them differently to different people, so you never know what the fuck the API is doing. You never know how the UI is going to look, because like I could do this right now actually, okay? I just need to test it. So I got like fucking YouTube. Let's go to my fucking channel here. What, my channel? Does it need to be my channel? Who says it needs to be my channel? Why can't it just be anybody else's channel for a change, you know? And then I can just swap over to a different account. Which account is this? Not this one, I don't think. Oh wait, actually, I could be completely wrong about this. No, I think I am completely wrong about this. Oh yeah, okay, so I'm just wrong about that. But, so I can't demonstrate it now, but so they changed this. They rolled this out. If I an intruder there. But they rolled this out, right, where you've got 3. They used to have like 4. Was it 4 before? See, it's hard to even remember. But they used to have 3 of them. And they didn't have, what was it? They changed fucking something. See, now I can't even remember how it used to be. Because I'm pretty certain that an add-on that I've got is the one that gives me, like, the markers watching. It's the same add-on that does this shit, which is great, because I can just clear all of the fucking videos I've watched and only see what I haven't seen from the person. It's great for binging. And, of course, if you're not binging, then I don't know how you consume content. Like, how the fuck do you do that? You actually, like, just, like, watch whatever's on your recommended, like my girlfriend or something like that? Like, what are you, gay? My girlfriend is gay for me, by the way. Don't know if you knew that. But, like, this change where they had it go from, like, 4 to 3, they rolled that out silently. So when I was swapping accounts, I noticed that swapping accounts caused the layout to change, even though I was on the same channel and everything. It was just because I swapped to the different channel up over there, right? That's strange, right? I feel like that shouldn't happen. I feel like when they make an update, they should just fucking push it, and then, everyone can talk about, hey, YouTube has a new update. Yeah, this is quite good, isn't it? Oh, it's quite bad. It's fucking shit. Now, I think the reason that YouTube does this is because they're full of themselves, and they're cowardly little bitches that chose that, after all of the backlash that they continued to get endlessly year after year from rolling out changes like removing the dislike button, like and that was a direct descendant of the YouTube Heroes program, actually, and it had been a bit of a work in progress over the years. It was the straw that broke the camel's back for YouTube being like, well, actually, we don't want the community to have any sort of a metric that says nobody fucking liked that. Especially when it comes to YouTube stuff. Especially, it's for us. We need to protect our we need to save face. We don't want the people noticing that nobody fucking likes it. We want to be able to silence this shit. And that's why I think that this shit, that's why I think that they did that, is so that they can hide all of the changes, so that each individual only views it as an individual. They never share it to anybody else, because they insidiously just want everybody to think, oh yeah, there's this new thing, maybe I must have missed it or whatever, without realizing that they're the only ones who had that change, and nobody is going to end up talking about it, because normally you only talk about something when you see it rolled out, and then you're like, hey, did you see a YouTube change or anything like that? And then if they say no, then you're going to be like, oh, I guess because they didn't notice it or anything like that. I don't know. And they forget about it, and then no one ever ends up talking about it, and it's just a way for them to cleverly veil any of their front-facing movements. It's just fucking insidious. I think they should be transparent about shit. If you're gonna push an update, push it out with your chest, like a dragon. Get fucked. I hate these people. Anyway, sorry for missing all of the things. That I was going on a bit of a ramble there. So let me see a little all of the speakings all of the sayings gospel of la creatura. I don't think computers can tickle people yet. You're quite right, Agate. Computer code, make a robot body for yourself. Hey, listen, it doesn't need to be a robot body, but I think that's a good idea there. I think there's something to that, actually. And then tickle me till I cry and pee myself. I don't know about that. Grok, make me fucking... Grok, vibe code me a fucking... software. Vibe code me a Python script that fucks my asshole. Like, I don't think that's how it works, actually. Raincloud, you like an... Oh, yeah, I already read that. So, this like a message you wrote for other people to see, and if so, why in this weird format? Well, I think we addressed that, basically. I had to restore it. It's just plain text. I was pasting that in there, so if my computer like shut down, then I wouldn't lose anything. Just turned out to be a bit of a mistake. Agate, did you see the Odyssey? Holy text wall. Yes, it was the very holy. The holy wall, like the one in Israel. I build walls like that all the time. Holy walls. They keep out bad UX. Okay, it's the worst UX you've ever seen. Okay. That was fun. Nope. Good, Agate. Good on you. Good for you for refusing the temptation of the modern world. That's not what I want to hear, Agate. What you want to hear is gay. There's something. I don't know. It's pretty good. No, I fucking doubt that. I highly doubt that. Christopher Nolan cocksucker over here. Fucking dick rider. I thought you said that's not what you heard. Oop. I've heard mixed things about it. Yeah, it's pretty... I haven't seen it, but it seems pretty shit. Fuck those people, only listen to me. Base and real? Asinine, how does this connect to the ant bite? Oh, that doesn't connect to the ant bite at all. That just happened. That just happened right before I started streaming. Completely unrelated things. He got bit on the arse by an ant after showering and sitting down. Yep, that was... Hey, I had that happen to me once. Damn. We're in the same boat here. You'd be dead then, though. What do you mean live restricted for 10 minutes? Did I say the fuck word too much? Harassment and bullying. What the fuck did I say? This is the thing. Like, I didn't actually say the word. I didn't say the bad word, so I don't know what bad word I actually said, but if they could get back to me on that, that'd be incredible. I'm gonna have to see if I can find that thing, because the way I figured it out last time was in the violation, because they bury this in like the mobile app. Well, and the funny thing is that, oh, it's restricted. It's like, no one's joined since somebody named Azua joined. Like, and I'm pretty certain that was like ages ago, at least 30 minutes ago or so. Like, I'll get a boost at the beginning, but then like nothing happens, you know. So it's like to tell me, oh, your live has been restricted for the next 10 minutes. No, it hasn't. It's been restricted for the past 30. You just didn't tell me because nobody's come in, you know. I'm not being recommended. It's never a thing. You'd be dead that... Oh, it was me. Okay. You'd be dead then, though, because you got squished. I reformed. I don't think that's a thing. And then bit rains. Yeah, I just want a bite of that arse. Fuck you, man. Just go fuck yourself. Is this the Trump phone? What's the Trump phone? How does this tie into Doomsday? It doesn't. Avengers. No, it definitely doesn't. Trump will return in Avengers. I don't know what I was going to say there. Avengers glory hole. I don't fucking know. I was just going to say something. I was going to say something like insane. I don't know. That probably works. Am I unhinged enough yet? Need I unhinge more in order to fit in things that fit when you unhinge, you know? Linus sex tips. Yes, precisely. Dragon discrimination. Yes, precisely indeed. Fuck all dragons, Rainygasm. Fuck all dragons meaning what, precisely? I think you meant that in a certain way. That's the snoot. You can't message a mod or anything. Well, yeah, I could probably message the mod that I saw, like, on my profile, but it'd be a bit presumptuous of me, wouldn't it? Like, just to be like, hey, if you could delete my post, it'd be nice if you could tell me what the fuck I did. Like, if I don't know, like, do you think that the mod would respond kindly to that? Like, I don't know, like, what to do when something mysteriously and, like, silently goes down. What do you do about that? Like, because it's not like Reddit where it's just clear. It's like, hey, this got removed from this, but it'll still show up on your user's timeline or whatever the hell, or it'll only show up to the person who posted it. Like, I don't know if Twitter did it, but it just gets necroed. Not necro. It's not what it's called. Necroing a thread is what you do when it's a dead thread, and you bring it back to life by replying for the first time in a long time. It's not necroing. It's just send to the fucking underworld. You know, it's like it's gone. It's in the rubbish. Gone forever. So I don't know. Contact a mob. Now that's a good idea. That's understandable. Okay, that's understandable. That's understandable. That's understandable. Okay, you come over to my house. Huh? You come to my fucking it's fucking Joe Pesci now. You come to my fucking you come to my post. My post on latesttechtips.com. You disrespected me. You take down my post. I just wanted to know what the fellow autists would say. And this is how you treat me in my own house, in my own post. Sir, congrats on coming out as lesbian. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. To be fair, I hadn't even heard about the Odyssey movie at all until the other day, lol. Until some Nolan cocksucker came along and just, oh, you gotta watch this shit. Nope. Definitely not. If anything, I'm gonna rage watch it with my girlfriend. We're both gonna be fucking angry. And then we'll hate fuck afterward. Not hate fuck each other. Like, you can't hate fuck each other. It's like, we'll passionately fuck each other having hated what we just witnessed. I don't fucking know. You know how we don't actually touch anything? It's the electromagnetic... Oh, you know? Yeah, I know that. The electromagnetic repulsion we feel. I want to increase my electromagnetic field so I can touch things from a farther distance. Oh, that's an interesting power there. That's what mimes really do. Oh, you know, that's actually big brain. Or perhaps what they're doing is they're creating a magnetic field in front of them so that they can touch it. But then other people can't touch it, so I don't really know how that works precisely. I don't understand the mime physics. I don't understand mime metaphysics. How does that work precisely? Is it all in the head? just that's how you speak mime. It's all in the head. No, that's not. What the fuck was that? I don't know. I don't even know what that was. Anyway, so we got to do. Where is it? I've got to open the to-do so I could see what I need to do. Isn't that useful? Yeah. I've got the 5-hour completion. So, because we're finally fucking getting to it. We're finally getting to it. Damn, son. Well. Oh, right, yeah. So, speaking of mods, I've got a mod. I've made a mod. It's functional. It fucking does things. I just need to figure out how precisely I am going to wait, where is it? Did I close out of it? Damn it. I find the fucking Reddit again. Accidental silk post. r/accidental silk post. I'm gonna go watch Bob's Burgers. My fucking history is wonderful, but this is Easy Silksong Speedrun Guide by u/Golden Age Retriever. What? Golden Age? Oh, that's clever. That's actually quite clever. I like that. That's quite good. And perhaps, I will... Where did I put... Oh, right, yeah. I put it on the bottom last time. This is how I did this. Where am I in the thing here? I've past that. I'm at, oh yes, I'm at Greymore. So my next thing in Greymore is to get the... No, because I got that. I think I was fighting the fat bird. What is it called? Fat bird. Breaking news. Saudis must normalize ties with Israel for nuclear deal, says Trump. Oh, those Saudis. Those Saudis. One of the few extant absolute monarchies in the modern age. Kind of a neat fact. The other one being... Well, no, I think... No. At least one other one being the literal Pope. Do you know the Pope is an absolute monarchy? It's a thing. There's the Holy See, I think, is technically the... No, the name of the country is the Vatican. It's a sovereign state, you know? Anyhow. Anyhow, fucking... That's exactly what I'm saying. Precisely. I saw porn drawings of 2 clowns who kidnap people, rape them, and kill them. Mimes. Interesting stuff. What the fuck? Oh yeah, you know, as you do in porn, just absolute fucking degeneracy. Why is it so quiet? Dial. That's not going through at all, is it? I don't think I restarted. Oh, did sound capture do the thing? No, it's on. It's on. It's good. It's fine. Is it just so quiet that it couldn't be heard from Funnyland? Stuck in the middle of Funnyland. There it is. It's going through. Isn't that wonderful? Mimes originate from France. Yeah, yes, that's the case. Just like any other degeneracy. So actually, that makes sense. It's on par with the rest of the fucking country and culture. It's connected to my Steam Deck, isn't it? It's kind of funny when controllers do that shit. Connect to the dongle. Magnum dongle. Gongle long dongle. Go, fucking prick. There we go. Wonderful. It was weird, but also a bit hot. So I don't know. Bit hot like the potatoes. So real quick, we're just gonna show off the mod right here. We're gonna do a bit of a mod show off. So I showed it a bit during like previous streams. So for a bit it was having like frame drops and shit, but I think it's good now. It's just on, I think, on shop open. It kind of fucks a bit, you know. But we got a little thing there. Look at that. You can select how many you want, and then you can do like big jump like this, and then you can do it, and then it subtracts, and then you get all of your rosary strings just like that. Isn't that fucking cool? I have yet to test it on other types, and I want to do a couple of more things with it. But it's basically ready for like receiving feedback on fucking like Nexus or whatever other platform I may want to put it on. So that's it. And it's so all it does is because it's not like a cheat. It was accidentally cheating for a bit. You could see that at the end of last stream. But it was allowing you to purchase an additional one even if you didn't have the 50 required for it, so it filled up the 50, and then bloody well, what do you call it? It drains it all the way to 0, which was not the intention. The intention was not to like accidentally give you an additional like X amount in order for you to get to 50. It was also, I was getting soft locks all over the place. It was crazy. It was, literally, I was just doing this, as I was waiting for other things to load. Yeah, so you could see on both profiles there, I had 0. I've got 0 rosaries here for that reason. So that, yeah, that's why that happened. You did that? Yes. I did that. Joe Biden sticker. Current president sticker. I did that. Bottom text. So yeah, I'm gonna put that on fucking. Oh, I already forgot. I gotta go You bitch! Gotta go down here. Because I'm on this bit. Oh wait, that's not why I've got 0. I've got 0 because it's here. All of it. There we go. So, now we can get back into fucking... Oh right, I forgot to say, I had a line in there in the final one, because it got deleted, about having having crippling OCD and not being able to afford therapy at the moment, you know? Rain, what's 44 by 11? My cock. My literal fucking penis, you dickhead. I don't know if that, maybe that'll ban me on TikTok. Saying the word dickhead, calling someone a dickhead. I love dicks and I love head. Oh, you bitch. Well, I'm at really low health. It's kind of nuts. I forgot how much I loved this crest. Ow! No! Oh, right. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, I forgot he's got 2 of the bloody things. I don't know if I made it to this, this phase in my previous one, so... Give me that shit. Very convenient spawn point, though. So, fuck. With any luck, I'll be able to, get that speedrun. That could be, I don't know, it could be difficult. Just gotta stay disciplined. Constant vigilance. Fuck you. Oh, right, I haven't got any craftables here. Fuck you. Oh, you bitch. Ow. Got such little health. Ow. Are you grabbing things you missed previously? No, not in this run. I've already gotten... I don't know if I've actually missed, like, a single thing other than there was, like, a character who died before I don't recall. But I'm just trying to get the speedrun achievement. Speed! Rain sucks at math and riddles. Good with meat pleasuring. I won't say anything. I never learned my 11s. Well, no, okay, what the fuck is it? Like, fucking... No, I don't care. I'll take that. Why would I need to know how to multiply 44 and 11 when I can just fucking... Like, I don't need to dedicate my grey matter to that. Like, it'd be useful, don't get me wrong, but, like, I don't need to. It's, like, far too costly to integrate that anyway, so fuck you. feel like damage is slow as hell. Ah! Okay. Wait. The riddle that you told me wasn't so much a riddle as it was just mathematics veiled in, like, riddle language. So that hardly even counts. Like, you can't say I'm bad at riddles for you asking me a mathematical riddle. It's more about the mathematics being veiled within the riddle than it is about the fucking, yeah, than about the riddle itself. I don't know. Fucking hell. Even with the AC going, evidently it's not enough. It needs to be turned down another 2 degrees or something in order for me to keep cool enough. Clearly. And that's only going to get worse. Because I'm gonna be putting my Ceph cluster in this room. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, they just get fucking killed. Oh, what the hell? You bitch. Does it save every time you die? I think it does. I think that means I'm saving all of these bad runs, which sucks because, this is a difficult boss for me to have, like, literally nothing. Like, I haven't got a lot of aids. Because I use protection. Magnum. You bitch, I fucking jumped. Stop doing that. You dishonest cunt. Oh, what the fuck? I wasn't facing that direction, you bitch. I thought it was gonna bounce back. Then we got the baited switch. The master baited switch. Oh, you fucking... Why? No! Rank these types of donuts worst to best. Glazed sugar powdered jelly. What's a sugar donut? That's a... What does that even refer to? Sugar powdered jelly glazed. I was about to start stabbing you until I remembered it was worst to best. What is a sugar donut? Like, what does that refer to? No, you bitch! Oh, my silk! That should hit you back, I think. I think it should. I think that'd be fair, and what the fuck? Oh, damn. That was immediate. Ah! Can you not? There we fucking go. That one seemed like different. The little psh. It's a bit different. It's a bit different. Is this open now? I don't remember how this works. Well, we're in bellhart. Skip. Parvo. Let's get the fag down. Come on. Let me get that. La, la, la. Who hung all of them? New objective indeed. I almost did the opposite then realized. Sugar donut is exactly as sounds. Thank you. Very fucking useful, Agate. Normally you're not like this. I mean, normally you're very useful, but sugar is the crystal sugars sprinkled on. Powdered is all the white ones. Rain doesn't know donut ball knowledge. Oh, I know about donuts, don't get me wrong. I have quite the appreciation for donuts, you know? Sugar donut. Oh, like the ones with like the fucking... No. Oh yeah, these suck. Like, I'm like the better than nothing, I suppose, but like... I get the appeal, I suppose. They're just like... I'd rather them also be like cream-filled or some shit. Though that's not difficult to do. You can do that yourself with your own hardware. Jelly ones are good, but I'd still prefer a plain glazed over them. Yeah, I guess that's fair enough. My favorite are the cream-filled ones, though. You'd like those, wouldn't you? Yes, we love to be filled with cream. You can indeed do this on your own hardware. I need to look at the map. What have we got? So we got bellhart, so we need to go up, hit the stick bug for some reason, press a button. Okay, well, here's this next area. Here we go. And it'll just be... Oh, I thought there was something to pick up there or something. Ow. Yes, it's because there's a fucking... Yeah, I could do that too. Oh, never... Oh! Oh! That's my favorite thing. I don't know how to make that happen, but that is my favorite thing ever. Ah! Excuse me, just gotta pick up my stuff here. If you don't mind. I've got 400, I forgot. I never paid that shit to the funny... I haven't got fucking... Okay, I've only got drift. It's not enough. It's not fucking enough. It's never enough. There we go. Oh! I fucking hit you, you bitch. Yes. Right, so I have no idea where I'm at, which is great. So I need to be in a level above this? Can I do... How can I do this without claw line? Oh, wait, claw line is in here somewhere. You just get so spoiled by the later kit. Oh, right. Speaking of... yeah, nope, no segue that. Nope, I'm good. Just had to turn that up. Bacon or ham? Speaking of donuts and bacon, bacon maple bar. What do you reckon? What do you think about that? My boss, what was my birthday a couple weeks ago? Because I get donuts for my birthday at work. It's kind of epic. But he brought in, there was like a bacon maple bar in there, and he was like, oh, I saw you eyeing it. I know you. It's like, no, I'm good. I actually don't like bacon that much. But like, it's just kind of funny. Like, that's a thing. Like, that's real. Like, for every correct answer, you get a head pat. For every incorrect answer, you lose a digit. Goodness. A digit of what? Like from my bank account? Please don't do that. Alright, so I need to go down. And there's a... Oh, right, so it's this arena. Oh, why didn't that give me silk? Fuck you. Fuck you. Ah, there we go. It's not that difficult. Don't click that, right? Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. I just wouldn't be able to know that I shouldn't do that. I have no idea without you. I'd be so lost. I'd be so lost in exploitable. There we go. That's the word I was looking for. For some reason, the first, like, I was just thinking, like, I'd be so lost in gay, but it's like, what does that even mean? I can go this way. Not useful, but I can do it. Okay, and then I go down. Then directly to my right, I can open up the hole. There we go. Open it up. I've already rested at the bench, so it's fine. And then we're gonna go, why'd you kill it? Why you kill it? Why you kill it? You bitch. And then we're gonna grab, what are we gonna grab? Just, fucking, across. No, it's just all the way across, isn't it? Lie, 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 lie.
Benny Frank. Yanara.
Whoa! But it's got like loads of bloody maps. Da da. No, this is oh, can't even fucking afford it. It's just kind of useful, just a bit useful. I don't know if I need to go back there for the full thing, but it's useful to have. No, okay, so I need to go up. I think I may as well hit the bench here. Okay, where the hell is the bench here? It's after, it's fuck. It's this away. After this big ass room. Oh, I see. I knew there was another one. Damn you, motherfucker. Well, at least I can go straight now. I'll get it off eventually. Have I not got the fucking, why haven't I got it on? That's not useful at all. Am I going straight up? No, this is the wrong way. That's that room. Straight up right here. Oh, I didn't have this crest at this point, did I? Maybe I did. I recall not using it. And that was definitely to my detriment. Yes, I remember you. And there should be a... Well, there's a bench over here, but I don't think I can afford it. I didn't mean to do that. Oh. need to unlock it? I don't even remember having to unlock it. Oh, lie, 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 lie. Moscato! Moscato. Hey, I've made the reverse of this a million fucking times. That may not be the place I need to go. Is that... It's like above this area, isn't it? Up. I'm supposed to go across over here somehow? Or do I need to needle in? I don't have needle in. What am I meant to get needle in? Oh, it's this room. Oh, no. Don't need that. Oh, right. Put this shit on. So, I'm all the way over here. Wait, where the hell is that? Is it in the middle? Wait, what? Yeah, it's right in the middle. I hate it when people truncate their maps. This does not spark joy or whatever. Okay, so I did go... Yeah, this just didn't... I went the wrong way. How am I supposed to do that? Because I went up. So now I'm in there. And this room is not the room. What the hell is it indicating? Wait, what? Oh. Because I'm... What? Oh. Okay. I am right here. This is that room with the polyp in it. I'm right here. How do I get up there? Because like I feel like it'd be easier to go up and across this way at this point, wouldn't it? Jazz is pretty nice, to be fair, though. Yeah, I rather enjoy jazz. Agate, what do you think of feet? What of them? Like in a sexual manner? Not my thing, lol. Yeah, good. Agate is normal. In at least one way. What is your thing, You like jazz? You don't want me to answer that. That's interesting. That's interesting. Is it immoral? Is it illegal? Pretty standard, probably. Is it disgusting? Oh. Oh, maybe disgusting and standard. I think that's possible, isn't it? Well, damn. So, how am I supposed to... Because it's like it's showing that there's supposed to be a thing there. I haven't got the needle in, right? Oh, that felt weird. Because... Is there a skip you can do here or something? Like, to lead that thing over or something? Is that... Like, I don't get it. Is it disgusting? Is it pee? No. Is it... Does it have anything to do with a human body... a human body part of feature? Are you trying to eliminate the impossibilities? Perhaps. I think most things do. Yeah, I suppose some don't. Is this really supposed to be faster? Because, there's literally no possible way to make that maneuver. Like... I pressed the button... Did I miss getting, like, needle in or something? The only thing I think I missed was... There was a... Oh, I didn't get a... There was a thing that you could get, and then there was another thing that you could get. Well, okay. Okay, so I'll go up and around. This is difficult. Like, is that supposed to be a skip? Like, maybe I'd have to see someone run this route, but up here by the corner of Bellhart. So now we're up in the big long room. Oh shit. That's not so good, is it? Sister Splinter. Because the route has me do this after getting the... whatever the silk skill is. Damn, okay, calm the fuck down. But it doesn't seem possible, like, at all. Like, is there actually some sort of a way for me to lure that thing down? Like, I don't get it. Oh, not that one. Which one is it? Oh, it's this one. I don't know how that hit me. Rosary string. So I've got Wait, I've got rosaries now. I can get any bench I want. I just don't understand what the stopgap over here was. Because there's multiple of them flying about up there, but I have no way to, like, lure them down. Like, what the hell? Why does the route go this way? Did they patch something? Like, I don't get it. Okay. Goodness sake. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. No, don't do that. Yeah, so that's just not a possibility. And I don't know why. Okay, so if I want to get up there, I'm already at the closest bench. I can afford to do that. Sister Splinter. Oh. What kind of a range have you got? That sucks. Is it farting? No. How is that standard? Yeah, that's not standard at all. Is it bondage? Is bondage standard? Is any amount of BDSM standard? Like, I don't know about that. Stop pestering people! You're literally a sex pest. What are you doing, Azure? Sometimes I get your names mixed up. I hope you don't take that personally. Or do. Fuck if I care. How am I supposed to get up there? This is just fucking ridiculous. Do these Splinter Boys ever come back? Wow, I get 3 fucking hits on it. Fuck you! Really? Okay. Ah! Ah! That was so shit. Metroid Zero mission next game. Rain confirmed it with me via Discord DMs. This is not true. You could leak every last one of them and that wouldn't be in there. And if it were, it'd be fucking hacked. Ba 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 ba. Ro-ro, ro-ro, shut up. Don't think he did. Is good game though. Yeah, I've heard great things about it. Fuck you. Why do you get to do this? Oh wow. So you only get so much damage in on it. Oh, good. There we go. Ah, fuck. There you fucking go. Get absolutely shredded. Whatever you do with, like, that. You go in the wood chipper. Is it right here? How did what? Okay. I like how they've only got it in their heads. Wait, so where is, what the hell? Okay. Oh. What the fuck? Cringe. There we go. Yes, right, it's just directly above it. There we go! Y'all see that Ori Rule 34, the caretaker, forgot her name. What are we talking about? What are we doing right now? What are we doing? Why? I suppose I know why. Yeah, I reckon it's exciting. Wait, cling grip, not claw line. What am I saying? I was wrong. Okay, I don't know, ask Azure. Rain, search up Ori Rule 34 caretaker. What, right now? Like right now? That's not Ori. What the? I don't even think that's the name. Fucking what? Like what the fuck is this? That Naru? A gentle, large, and motherly figure. Naruto Shippuden. I don't even know if you can you even find it? What the fuck did you search for this? wait, this is actually proving more difficult than I thought. It's not fucking here. Who is the character? That's not a thing. Ori and the Blind Forest. There's the fucking IP. There's fucking femboy porn of him, of course. Who's the fucking... Naru parentheses Ori. There's like 4 of them. There's like 4 fucking submissions here. And that's it. That's all you get. There's not much. There's not much of at all of this. Salmon Max Rule 34. You ought to know about that. Well, that was a great tangent that you couldn't see. Y'all know ball. What's Salmon Max? How do you not know Salmon Max? I've never even played any of the fucking things, and I know Salmon Max. Can I not go? Oh, right. Of course I go here. We're moving on. Yay. Oh, yes, there is one right here. But I don't want that. I want... Oh, yes, I want that, of course. Just don't want to lose any. There's nothing secret over here, is there? Gay detective furries. Are they actually gay? I don't remember. I don't know the law. There we go. Now we're gonna go over here. There's gotta be a little schmonster. Oh, fuck. I should have healed, obviously. But the way back up here is quite easy. Yes, so we go this way. Ooh. Thank you. Hello. Oh, right, I forgot she plays pretty music. Fuck you. Bloody backrooms music. Kane Parsons Backrooms OST. I'm getting closer. It's getting closer. I'm not ready. Ooh, it's getting closer. So I need a little more time. Oh no. Okay. Where does this go? Oh, back out to that. Oh, yes. Yes, this is, of course, the classic. I know it quite well, but we're just going to move straight on. Come on, Weaver. Creature, stop that. Oh, fuck. I forgot how she went. Oh. Oh, what the hell? Ah! It's ambiguous, but pretty gay, so I don't know. You're walking in the woods. There's no one around and your phone is dead. Shia LaBeouf. We all love Rob Cantor around here. We love Bobby. The fuck. Fuck off! I forgot to not go there. Because the real intention was to go here. So... have I not had the chance to update my map? Is that faster? It may be faster. Yeah, I think it is. Guess in we go then. Fuck you. How the fuck do you get through this maze? Oh yeah, I want maps. If only there were a bench here. Would you be as kind as to give me one? Boing. Oh, I thought she was gonna hit me. Nope! Realized too fucking late. You Shia LaBeouf. No. I think it's closer. Just go back. Because I can make it up that way. I think that's fine. Let's do it that way. I haven't got much time left in the fucking run here. Oh, right, because it's this slow shit. May still be the faster way. Oh wait, so I can go through the hole in the wall here, right? Where is it? Oh, right here. Because I can climb now. Though, wait, why would I even want to, though? There's, like, nothing for me here, right? And that passage doesn't open until I beat her, so... Why do you hate Christopher Nolan? You didn't like The Dark Knight. I mean, it's enjoyable, it's shit, but... Ugh. It's pie and beer day tomorrow. Don't need to go to work or anything. Think I'll have a couple things to do, though. Whoa. Yes, this is faster. Oh, fuck. I'm not entirely certain if not taking the fucking elevator here is more efficient. Jump. Fucking controller every time. Fuck you. Fucking double damage dick. Magical unhealing dick. Fuck you! Go away! Goodness sake. I haven't got any tools. Fuck off. What kind of a fucking bounce is that? That is not the angle that should have taken. And you know it, you full of shit. You bitch. I wasn't even pointed that direction, but I probably would have died anyway. No, it's just faster to take the fucking thing. Do you have 8 arms? Yeah, I would think nope is the proper answer to that question. Come off it. Maybe I'll get some good sleep tonight. You know, go to bed on time and shit! That kind of thing. It wasn't even worth it because I didn't get all my heal back. Why did I try to use that? I don't have that yet. She can't get me up here. I guess it's fair that it doesn't bounce in that direction. It's just I wasn't expecting it at all. Ah! My button got stuck again. It's gonna kill me. Why is she immune from the bells she's dropping? That hardly seems fair, does it? What? Oh, I don't have enough silk, obviously. She gets, like, progressively faster as she does that move. Stop doing that move! Okay. She stopped doing that move. At least she did that. Fuck off. Just gonna safety heal. There you fucking go. Get out. Ow, why do you get to do that? Why the fuck did she get to do that? Top of the morning to you, laddies. Are you a German larper, agate? Or do you have Germanic ties? It has been in my vocabulary a while. Wait, what? Oh, Dunker. Yes. Dunker memes. It's mostly Scots-Irish. Love that. The Scots part, not the Irish. Fuck 'em. I hate you. I hate you. Please fuck off and die. Bowie. 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 Why the fuck? Why? You fucking prick. No, that is closer. Which way am I? Fuck you. Which way am I going currently? Oh, I need to break it open. Yes, see, I knew there was a fucking thing here. Oh, what the fuck? I knew there was a fucking thing there. Well, that's gonna be much quicker, isn't it? There we go. Bowie. What? You bitch. Oh, you fucking cunt! Boy. Then she does a little tricky. And that's when they do the key change. Quite clever. Fuck you. Whoa, I can do that? I just deflect it? Ah! Fuck's sake! Wow. Good berry. Ow. There we go. There we go! Bind you to me. Get sucked. Goodness. Well, that could have been worse, I suppose. We got the witch. Whatever she is. Everyone's a witch, honestly. That's how you get the needle in. It's because she was going. Wait, wake up! All the weavers. Ah, please. Oh, right. Yes, I can open it. Open it. Open it. Hello. Just to be careful. I don't like clinging to the very bottom of those wall clings, you know. Prefer to stay safer. I forgot this is a long one, isn't it? That's the second one, right? Milk and cookies. So I've heard. Who are you? Why can't I skip this? I'm gonna continue fiddling with my controller, because, what the hell? Oh no!
Oh, oh, oh. Yes.
For hello to turtle, our song sustains. Sauce. Why can't I skip that? All the other little cutscenes I could skip. I don't know why that one's not skippable. Seems a mistake, honestly. And then we want to go... I've got to go back up through... There we go. Get bogeyed. Wait, this is a bell thing? A bell place? Whatever you call it. Come on. Yee yee yee. Okay. Rest, please. So I always thought that was like the most bloody useless bench of the game. Which is part of why I reckon they fucking did the thing. I'm gonna be right back. That's why it says be right back, you know. I'm glad I didn't end stream. I'm glad that didn't happen. 'Cause that would have been that would have been what the experts call a mistake. Not the experts, but what experts call. Just experts in general, you know, general experts. Those guys. Hades. What are we talking about, Hades? Hades nuts. You're pretty good at Minesweeper. Nice. I mean, that's neat. We all love a good sweep of the mine. Okay, so I've only got 2 hours in it, so it's not too bad. Okay. Oh. Fuck. Got to actually press the button. It's a bit important. Okay, I don't... Alright. Apparently I needed to step on it afterwards. Now we're in Bellhart. We've restored harmony to the town or something. Shut up. La la la, lu la lu. I remember I never spoke to him like a single time.
Cadestre. Pasfine.
Modella.
Oh, no, so he actually doesn't have shit to give me.
Megina Fora.
Leloslam.
Benny Frank.
Yeah. And this is, of course, the stringer-upper. Silver bells. Silver bells. It's krill. Were you just trying to catch me with my pants down? I just thought it'd be funny to ask. You tried catching me mid-jerk, but I surprised you because I had already finished and cleaned up. Why? Why would you say such thing? Oh, I forgot there's like literally no bell there at all until the bell home gets purchased. Pah! There you go. I get paid for that. Shafida.
Tamiyan.
I haven't got any more for her. But I've got plenty rosaries now, so I don't have to worry about being in future areas without a bench, which is good. Right, so, Bellhart. I need to go down, of course. What? What? What happened? What actually happened? What? I think my mod might have accidentally cheated for me there. So, what the fuck was that? Unity loading clips. Shop stock built items list. Yeah, that shouldn't be happening. Yeah, my mod cheated. Why did it do that? Who does it? Is it because of this?
That's fine.
And then I spoke to him or something. What the hell was that? That was so strange. Why did it just spawn in? What is the way I'm invoking that like too permissive? Because why did it bring up chakras thing? That doesn't make any sense at all. Aga, do you enjoy the game with the dragons? Where the person teleports to the town of dragons? Far fields, deep docks, the marrow, bone bottom. Okay, so I need to unlock the other one in this area because I haven't unlocked that yet. I haven't paid for it. AWSW? What's that? Oh, right. I forgot about these. Alright, it's the courier. I can bring him back. Goodness. Oh, hello. Don't kill me, please. You bitch. What the hell? Real trap shit. Angels with scaly wings is a game. Interesting. I still need to go back and actually make a fucking TikTok short clip, fucking whatever, of when I was sick, doing those voices perfectly. Real. Okay, I do not know why it's doing that. It should not be doing that. Not even, like, what? How fucking strong are you? Goodness. Give me those, give me those. They're for me, not you. That was like 40 rosaries. It wasn't even that much. It's like, oh, I have so many rosaries, I'm rich. No, you're not. You're not even close to rich. Okay, right, so next up, fuck. He just sat there, he didn't even do anything. Why did it wake you up? Nobody said you could do that. There we go, we can... Oh, will I have enough now? Okay, no, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. There we go. Now I need to go up to the top. I swear I passed by that one multiple times and there's no longer a thing there. Maybe there's no longer a stringer in Act 3, but there is in the other acts. Just past this expiration. Whoa, don't know what happened there. There we go. Bong, 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 bong. Wow, it takes such a long time. Flat pewter. Not a big pewter. You have a computer. Very good. You have a puta. Wait. There's a little thing here. Well, that's neat. I didn't realize you could stand on this. I like how it needs to have this thing here, otherwise you can't call it. Okay. So, I did that. What's next? Fucking, oh, just going onward into the blasted steps? That's it? Why did I get that then? I don't know what the point of that was. Well, hopefully I'll have plenty of time, because right after this I'll be in the Citadel. There is another boss after this, of course, which is gonna be fun. Especially considering I've got, like, nothing. Because there's so many things that I could have, like, explored in the previous area, but, I didn't. I haven't hit any of them yet. You bitch! Oh wait, I've got rosaries. Never fear. Rare. Binding of Isaac. We love the Binding of Isaac. It's so epic, and I haven't played it in years at this point. I used to kind of be grinding it at, on stream a little bit. Oh, well, that's not very useful, is it? What the fuck? Plenty of rosaries from that. Do I need to go all the way up here in order to make it where I'm trying to go? Oh, it's another old one. Oldman. You old bat. Yeah, I haven't got the time for that. Not sorry. What the fuck? No idea why that dealt damage at all. I think it should have dealt... No, what the fuck? Okay. Don't listen to me, Agate. I'm just a senile old fool with nothing but memories that I can't even tell are real or made up. I'm older than you. Yeah, but he's got dementia, so... doesn't count as something, I don't know. What the fuck? I went in the wrong hole! Goodness sake. Fuck you, kid. I hate them so fucking much. Wait. Right, I still have a fucking map. I'm definitely not gonna go that way. Am I? There's a bench? No, I didn't go, no, wrong way entirely. Completely wrong direction that. Because I was gonna go to that bench. That was where I would have gone, you know, if I was making the route myself. Oh, so it's not possible to make it up there without... What the hell? Nahi. What? Wait, what? What the fuck happened? Okay, nope, that's definitely not supposed to fucking happen. I'm accidentally cheating, but, okay, I'm glad my... Fuck. How the fuck do you... What? I want a happy ending in cheese curds. That's an interesting little bundle request there. Yeah, I need to go all the way up here in order to do the thing. Ridiculous, but I could go straight across, which is easier. I remember making this route like every time before. That is not right. Wait. Yes, I've got this now. Which is just not supposed to happen. Yashkari! Okay, give me a fucking moment! I need to check the map. Why the hell is it all the way over there? That's not where I died, not even close. Give me those. Yahi yahi. But I don't need to go in here. Oh, that's actually really good though. That can save me a lot of time. If I'm ever in a pinch. What the fuck? Why? Apparently all of those fucking respawn. So that's the only way, and if I fall here, then I'm fucked. Oh, so now I've unlocked the ability to get through the funny. Old fuck. There we go. And there's this little station here. Got plenty of rosaries for that. Especially considering I cheated on accident. For my personal purposes, I'm okay with it. Like, I don't think it invalidates the run. But it clearly means that my mod needs some fucking work. Excuse me. Yes, I remember this. I remember it well. And I don't have the locomotion to be able to do that yet. Fade down cloak, like in this area, goes so hard. No holes for keys, only music. Yes, I'm playing the needle in. Gonna watch these guys just get absolutely destroyed. Don't care because he looks like the old guy and the old guy's annoying. What? Oh wow, I forgot how annoying she is. I forgot how much I hated that. Wow, holy shit. I think thick German pancakes are cooked with lots of butter and caramel sauce and with crispy butter hash browns and bacon with passion fruit and mango juice for a first course. A light breakfast. I like breakfast foods. Yes, very good. Oh, Sherma, hello. Little pilgrim, you sleep? Oh, Red Maiden, have faith. Have faith, Red Maiden. We're going to be okay. What are you doing in my house? Oh, fuck. No, bitch! It's normally much easier to get past that shit. It's because I thought, like, you know how seriously similar those areas look? What's over here? I forgot. Nothing still. forgot something like opens up or something. Hey, It's been such a long time since I've played against her that, like, I'm gonna have to just relearn everything. Fuck you. Fuck you. Okay, fucking hell. I don't even remember how she operates. She do be schlieben. It's gonna get me every time. Because it's too bloody similar. I made that run a million times. Diarrhea. Fuck you. What the fuck? She got it between me and my silk. And you know what what happens when that happens is I just get, like, upset. That's about it. Because apparently I can't deal the damage to just fuck her up immediately. Probably a Japanese-style curry with katsu chicken, maybe ramen or pot stickers on the side, and some boba. Either that or some Korean rice and noodles instead. But that one's harder to say. Oh, also kimchi. Sounds pretty good. Sounds alright. Fuck off. Oh, fuck's sake. Why the fuck did you jump like that? Ah! That's so cringe. See, it's coming back to my mind. Like, I looked up the rules, I read the rules, like, I was complying by them. So, like, I feel like a mod should probably just tell me, like, why it seemed like it didn't belong on the forum, right? Like, I'm not necessarily upset it got removed, but, like, the only upsetting part is that it, like, there's no explanation. Like, transparency and all that, it's important. And now she's flaming. Damn it. Oh, wow. I think I meant to jump higher, but my button got stuck yet again. Sherman's still just schlonking over here. Yeah, I remember when I thought it was impressive to do that perfectly. And now it's just like muscle memory. Completely committed to muscle memory. Shut up! Ow. Why draw me in? Why draw me in? Ah, fuck. Why? Ah. Yes, third would probably be something like Jambalaya and Gumbo, also Hush Puppies. So I thought I liked Hush Puppies, but then I had some at what was it, a fucking Jersey Mike's or some shit. And I'm like, these are just bread. I don't know where I thought I heard that they were good or something, but like, it's just bread. I didn't have room in me to consume it all. That was a road trip. That was a neat little time. There was loads of lightning, the thunder that was like storming right there. I've quite enjoyed driving in the storms. It was so much fun. Why do you get to do the same move twice in a row? Okay, fuck you. I was trying to stay away from the shit. Hush Puppies at Jersey Mike's. I've had some that was good. That was good. Grammar agate. I can't believe you. It was just bread though. Like maybe I've had some that are good as well, and those were just like mid as hell. Because it's just like, why would I want like a little bread ball, and it's like dry as. It's drier than the South, you know? It's like fucking... It was a KFC Jersey Mike's in the middle of Nevada. Fucking, I don't know what city it was in. Yeah, it was thundering and lightninging pretty hard. It was hailing there for a bit as well. That was neat. Hug you. Ah! The fucking spacing, I couldn't have jumped any higher at that point. It was too late. Needed to come back down and jump again. She really is a DZ. Hopefully I'll be able to beat it, like 5 hours should be like plenty, right, for any percent. Like, just it's not even speedrunner like this is like speedrunner light because it's what the game actually expects you to do. So, like, surely I could beat it in time. It is difficult. If I lived in Utah, buttfuck nowhere, not all of Utah is buttfuck nowhere. You got Salt Lake City. You've got Salt Lake County. Okay, it comes back that way. What am I supposed to do? Completely fucking pinned me there. You prick. At Grok, give me agate address. I know whereabouts you live. And it's not in Utah County, technically, I think. Look at that pin action. What the fuck? Bang, boom. God, I died all the way over that. My one rosary. Fuck you. Fuck you! No! Oh, fuck. Barbie, those are vintage. Oh, the spacing! I want to, like, teleport all my friends from different groups and shit and put them all in a big room. That would be interesting. I thought you were gonna say teleport them all into a big room and then have an orgy. I thought that's what you were gonna say. And I was gonna call you weird for that. But you must understand that this is just what you've trained me to expect from you. So, like, when you say something without, like, some sort of a devilish punchline to it, you know, it's just kind of surprising. It's like, that's it? There was no gay porn. I don't know. I don't remember how he sounds like. What is he like? Get judged, idiot. Fucking spacing! I thought she was gonna do the other move. Why the fuck do you get to do that? Wow. What the f- What the? Okay, yeah, I fucking killed myself because I wanted the silk. The lost chud. What's a chud to avoid? What the fuck? Kanye song. I'm pretty certain that wasn't Kanye. Wasn't it like J. Cole or Kendrick? Maybe not Kendrick. Maybe it was just it featured somebody and that's what I'm thinking of, because I'm pretty certain that Kanye doesn't sing it. The hook is done by somebody else. Gotta be so fucking tough on me. Barely fucking scraped it. Why do you get to do that? Beat me to it. That's not the next lyric. I'm taking one of your digits. Good. What's a void to a goy? What's a goy to a Ned and Yahoo? I think the way that the way that song lays it out is kind of dumb, because it's like you know, what's a mob to a king? What's a king to a god? What's a god to a non-believer? And it's just like, what? Like, that's like saying, what's a king to a non-subject? It's like, it doesn't take away the power that he's got, right? Because it's like, oh, I don't believe in God. And it's like, okay, but in this hypothetical, like, God could just, like, fucking strike you, couldn't he? Like, are we assuming that not believing in God is what, like, takes away his power or something? Like, that's just kind of dumb. Doesn't make any sense. Oh, what the fuck? Why did I do that? That was stupid. Fuck you, Ray, just enjoy it. Yeah, don't apply logic to things, otherwise the things fall apart. But you're supposed to enjoy it anyway. It's just nonsense. The king is bound to the rules of God because he's a believer. The non-believer isn't. Okay, no, if God has literal power, like, you can't be, like, symbolic about this shit. If God has, like, literal power, then not believing in him is not going to do anything. But if God is merely symbolic, then what the hell does God have over the king, who has, like, you know, people he rules over? He's got, like, all the political power in the land, right? You don't get to fucking do that, you cunt. Ouch, that was a bad idea. No! I jumped! You fucking button! The fucking button killed me, you prick! I can't believe that. The fucking button got me killed. Because I tried to jump, but I couldn't because the button was already fucking depressed. Well, how about you hang yourself then? That wasn't very clever. Fuck's sake. Yeah, I predicted that that would happen eventually. Right, have you ever stuck anything up your butt? What are we doing right now? What is happening? Oh. That was lucky. What the fuck happened? Remotes already can't breath rain? What are we talking about? Oh, like controllers. Nobody calls them remotes. I just think of Git. Well, yeah, that's true. That is why I said it wasn't very clever. It's just what came to my mind first. Again, if I had the power to remove concepts, what would you want me to remove? Remove, like, concepts from the, like, from the psyche of anybody who can comprehend them? Or, remove, like, a given, like, metaphysical concept from existence? Oh, fuck. Ow. Damn it, why do I keep doing this? Whoa, I didn't know you could still proc one. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. The concept of time, wow, because why not? How would that work? Time would be gone or something, true. Things would be stuck in place. No, it's not that things would be stuck in place because your understanding of, what the fuck is the word? I think you've actually accidentally removed the opposite. Though you would remove its opposite in removing itself. Your concept of stagnance is dependent on your concept of time. So time being frozen in your perception is dependent on things being stuck in a single moment, but moments don't exist if time doesn't exist. So everything becomes incomprehensible to you. Whereas if all you did was remove the ability for people to perceive time, then that would change things a lot. Yeah, so... Why the fuck do you get to do that? Sounds wonderful. Do it, Azure. Horrors beyond my comprehension. Yeah, true. Yeah, that would kind of suck. Azure, can you remove object permanence? That's kind of something that you could do. Well, yeah, you could do that. I'm pretty certain... I was talking about this at work the other day, but I'm pretty certain that you could, that, like... I don't know, it makes sense to me. I don't recall a specific incident, but I'm pretty certain it's possible for you to get like a brain injury or a surgery of some kind, and then it removes your ability to perceive, like it removes your object permanence. So anything that's not currently in your view, you think doesn't exist, because that can effectively happen to one side of your, like you can lose your ability to perceive the left side of literally reality if your brain gets damaged in a certain way, or the right side. Oh shit. I should have healed! Do babies have object permanence? No. But they develop it within the first couple of months of their lives. So, well, we're talking about human infants, I'm guessing. You fucking prick! Get eaten. Wait, how the fuck did you not get eaten? What the hell? It just took damage or some shit? Goodness sake. Damn you. Ah, shit. No, I dashed when I shouldn't have. No, wipe the fucking button! It's so fucking unresponsive. What kind of bug is this? Human extinction. Wait, I'm thinking of something else. A cockroach? No, it's not a cockroach. It's a fucking, I don't know what it is. It's just a fucking royal shit. It's the last judge. It's a judge, you see? It's the elder-like form of those guys. Those are judges. And I found the young'uns, the babby versions of them in a previous stream. I don't think you were here. Was it the last stream? I don't recall. It was during my hunt, though. Diarrhea. Oh, shit. Huh. Ah, why did I dash again? Whoa! You don't get to do that. You bitch! Diarrhea. Why? But why, though? Why would you speak of diarrhea to me? I don't think that's very, hygienic of you. Sounds like what she says. What did she say? Diarrhea. Diarrhea. That's funny. Okay. Good on you. Good job. You did a funny. Diarrhea. Damn. Whoa, okay, fucking missing, but wonderful. I buffered that. Oh, not the CIA. It's a bit tiring, isn't it? How big is the delay between my game and the fucking stream? Well, not the stream, but like the OBS monitor. I'm wondering if my elgato is shit. The answer is yes. I just realized that, ah, fuck. Shit. That was a little short little gap, that. Ooh. Huh. You prick. Seriously? Why the hell does she get to do that? That's so unfair. I'm so close. I've been so close this whole time. Just need another perfect bloody run. That's all. Diarrhea. Well, I can't unhear it now. Why has she got fire in a bell? You get to do 2 in a row. Why the fuck? Fucking turnaround didn't... Uh, 10:53 p.m. by the way. Normally I'd be gone by now. I just gotta defeat it. Defeat this. It's so cringe. We'll be okay. This will be fine. Well, that was bad. Ah, shit. That was really bad. Ah. Oh, why? Oh, that fucking sucked. What the hell? I'm so impatient. I hate it. Goodness sake. I need to go to bed, honestly. Oh shit. Ouch. Get over here. We need to play in the middle. Ow, what? Oh, fuck. Why, please, no. Quit it. I'm so focused. I'm so fucked. I'm so focused, oh, I'm so focused. Diarrhea. Wow. Whoa, prick. Fuck you. Like, why? The fuck you on? I'm gonna be playing with, like, semi-claw grip for a little bit here. Wow, that feels fucking weird. But it gives my fucking pointer finger a break at least. Oh, shit. Murder. Too greedy. No, I was facing the other way! Fuck you. How many fucking miss inputs are we gonna do? Come on. This means I've only got 2 hours left in order to get the achievement here. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like apples and bananas. That's cool. Me too, bro. recall that her first move after that is always that, I'm pretty certain. Wow, okay. Ah, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, that was very unsafe. Holy fuck. One more hit. One more hit for me, too, I mean, but... Oh, fuck. Greedy. Because I'm greedy. Want you to myself, for nobody else, for nobody else. This is bad. Ooh. Oh, holy shit. I was about to die. Holy fuck. You fucking cunt. I think that killed me last time as well. Wow. Okay. I'm pretty sure certain that that killed me last time as well. Fuck you. Goodness sake. Goodness. I think that happened the first time, seriously. That is pretty shite. Oh, but I could go to bed now. Well, I'm... How the fuck? How in the actual fuck? You've got to be fucking kidding me. I think that's killed the fucking run right there. How the actual fuck? I fucking killed it. And because I died in the cutscene or some shit? How fucking awful do you have to be to Team Cherry? Like, what the actual shit? There are other situations where dying, like, during the... like, whatever the fuck. The fancy shit, like the... almost the cutscene moment, like... it still gives it to you. So that's absolute bullshit. What the fuck, Team Cherry? You prick. Fuck you. Rain, my autistic friend. Howdy, how you doing? You are above morals. Am I? The creator? What are we talking about? This is so fucking shit. How the fuck could they do that to me? Like, I beat her. I fucking beat her. Like, how was I supposed to avoid that? It's been, like, months since I first played this boss. I don't recall what came after it. Like, how the fuck could they do that to me? Oh my fucking word. You prick. That always gets me. It just never won't. I really should go to bed. You prick. I already knew it was fucking emotion. I fucking hate that move. Why the fuck does it come out so quickly? Oh shit. Wow. And I lost health. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit completely. That's insane that you could beat the entire fucking boss and then just lose. Like, fuck that shit in its ass. Because what the hell? Fucking Act 2. I did Act 2 in 4 hours, I think. Or is it 3.5? It's some shit, I don't know. That was just bloody terrible. Goodness sake. Oh, right. That's all my rosaries out now. Because I barely didn't have enough. This breaks eventually, right? Let me up. What? I thought I was going up. Okay, I'm gonna check the fucking, Oh, you know, it does break. It breaks right here, doesn't it? I think actually this is the wrong move. Am I just stuck now? There we go. It doesn't save after this, does it? If it saves, this is gonna waste a lot of time. I'm gonna Alt F4 it just in case. Fuck that. That sucked. Because I just need to go straight up past that area according to this route, so yeah, well, that sucked. I did not enjoy that. Cause like it was getting on, you know, it was dragging on, and then it's like, actually, even though you beat the boss, fuck you. That seriously sucked. I don't know how I fucking forgot about that shit. I should have known. Anyway, that's about all. Yeah, that's it. That's all. Thanks for tuning in. I've got nothing left. Well, I have got something left. Actually, I want to check, I've got a bug in motion, but I'm not going to look at that yet. I've got fucking... What the hell? No. I just wanted to see... Yeah, so it's saved in the blasted steps. That's good. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it saved that. It didn't save that, I mean, which is good. Because I don't want to go up there. What is this? What was I trying to check on? Whether or not it saved? Oh, 3 hours, 26 minutes. So I've got 2 hours to do it. And, shit, that's a lot of things. It's actually, like, a lot of things. Wait, what's this final one? Then I defeat... What? I defeat Lace and her right there? I don't think that's how it works. But you get all of the songs, right? Oh, a solution. Neat. Yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but we'll see. We'll see. It's probably possible. Gotta do all that in 2 fucking hours. Probably not. It's gonna be difficult. But if I fail it the first time, then I'll just get better. I'll get good. I don't know if there are any, like, epic cheats you can do. Not cheats, but, you know. Did audiobook? Yeah, I kind of fucking muted myself. I think I muted myself. That doesn't matter. Because I'm done anyway. Oh well. Anyhow, see ya. When did I mute? I don't even know when I muted. I can mute now. Say wallahi, bro. The fuck. Goodbye, goodbye. Whoa, 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 whoa. I do not want this. Well, that's what you get, though. Hey, look. You know what you do get, though. Why the fuck is your name gotta be so fucking difficult, Alice? How the fuck do I, like, input this? There you go. Hit the raid. Raid now. Raid now. Do it. Do it now.